Good afternoon everyone, my name is Harshitha. We are going to discuss about the program ASTROTURISM, and it was conducted by our teacher N. Subramaniam sir. This program is about the astronomical celestial bodies, and we have discussed about many experiments in this 3 days program. And on the third day night we are going to observe celestial bodies like Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, etc. which we are able to see through the telescope. And we have discussed about true north and about also the sundial. We have on the first day we have prepared the true north and we have prepared the sundial. To find the true north, we have did an experiment on the first day. First, we have taken a metal rod and we have marked a plus mark on the plane surface. Later, we have placed this metal rod on the plus mark, and at around 11 am, we have found that the tip of the shadow and marked the point on the tip of the shadow. And now we consider this length of the shadow as a radius, and we drawn a circle by using a thread and chalk piece. Later, around the time of 12 and 11:50 am, we have found that this tip of the shadow coincides the circumference of the circle, and we marked this point also. Now we join these both points and a chord is formed, and by using this same thread, and we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, and we consider this perpendicular bisector as the true north. This true north is used to identify locations, latitudes, longitudes, and also to identify the many position of the sun at any area at any time. And on the next day we have discussed about the sundial, and we have also prepared the horizontal sundial. Sundial, it is a device which is used to identify the time and position of the sun by using the sun shadow. We have prepared the horizontal sundial. We were inspired by the Newton sundial. He had prepared this sundial during his 9th class around 400 years ago. For this sundial, we have taken a plain white sheet and a worksheet given by Subramaniam sir. We have attached this to the plain sheet, and later we have taken a triangular piece. For this triangular piece, we have made sure that one of the angle is 90 degrees and another angle is 14.4 degrees, which is the latitude of Nellore. And we also made sure that two sides of the triangle measures that 19.5 and another side measures that 5 centimeters, which we consider as the human's height in the original experiment. Now we have attached this triangular piece to the white sheet, which is in a square shape. Now we have placed this square sheet under the sunlight. On 20th March, we have observed that this tip of the shadow of this square triangular sheet is passing through this equator. This is known as the vernal equinox. This indicates the spring begins. Vernal equinox is a day which indicates the beginning of the spring. Equinox means it indicates a day in which both day and nights are in equal period of time. And solstice is a period of time during which a day is more longer as compared to the night. And we also studied about the seasons. Seasons are mainly divided into 4 types: summer, winter, fall, and spring. During summer, days are longer and nights are shorter, and during winter, days are shorter and nights are longer. And during spring, flowers and small birds will blossom, and during autumn, leaves will turn into the yellow and red color and they falls down. This indicates that the winter is going to begin. Solstice and equinox. Equinox 20th, which indicates that the spring begins, and summer solstice, it indicates that summer begins, and it starts on June 22. And autumnal equinox, it starts on September 22, which indicates that autumn is going to begin. And winter, using this sundial, we can also indicate these seasons. If the shadow of the tip is going to pass through the equator, we can say that spring is going to begin. And as the tip of the shadow passes to the Tropic of Cancer, we can say that summer is going to begin. And as the tip of the shadow passes to the Tropic of Cancer, we can say that winter is going to begin. In a year, the tip of the shadow is going to pass through the equator 2 times. These two are known as equinox. One is vernal equinox and another one is autumnal equinox. Vernal equinox, now we are going to discuss about how to find the true north. Now we have taken Charani. Her height is 151 centimeters and she has standed at the center of the circle which we have drawn previously. This is the perpendicular bisector and we consider this as the true north. As we said, her shadow is falling on this line. This line is considered as the equator. According to the measurements in the previous worksheet, as we did in the previous calculation, we have drawn these lines according to the time wise. That is 10, 10:30, 11, 12 and 12:30 etc. up to 2 we have drawn. Up from 10 to 2 we have taken the time measurements and we observe that from 10 to 2 her tip of the shadow is falling on the equator and this is known as the vernal equinox. This takes place on March 20 and this indicates that the spring is going to begin. And its 4 moons, Lu, Europa and Caslo and Ganymede. It consists of the Orion constellation and also the many different other main stars of the different constellations. It consists of the Aldebaran and also the Orion constellation. It consists of 3 stars which is the belt of the Orion constellation and also the Castor and also many other constellations and many other stars are also present in this winter hexagon. And we can observe this with our naked eyes in many different seasons and it is the main important recognition for the main and beginning astronomers.
ఈరోజు మేము ఈ స్కై అబ్జర్వేషన్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో భాగంగా జూపిటర్, మూన్ మరియు జూపిటర్ యొక్క శాటిలైట్స్ కూడా చూసాము. దీంతోపాటు మేము కొన్ని కాన్స్టలేషన్స్, వింటర్ హెక్సాగన్ ఇలాంటివన్నీ చూసాము. పేరు స్నిగ్ధ. నేను కేఎన్ఆర్ స్కూల్లో నుండి మా తోటి స్నేహితులతో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను. మమత, హిమవర్షిని, చర్ని మరియు సహస్రాతో మేము ఇక్కడ ఆస్ట్రో టూరిజం అనే 3-day వర్క్షాప్కి వచ్చాము.
My name is T. Sudhir Sai Rohit, studying 9th standard at MSM MCHS High School.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashar and I am studying in 9th class in MSM MCHS High School in Nellore.
Hello everyone, my name is C. Tarun. I am studying 9th standard in MSM MCHS AC Nagar Nellore.
Hello everyone, my name is K. Karthik. I am studying 9th A section in MSM High School.
Hello everyone, my name is D. Ramu. I am studying 9th standard in MSM MCHS High School.
The Dr. Kishore's Ratnam Elite Olympiad to District Science Center.
Everyone, my name is Svannavarthi. I am studying 9th class in GBKR ZP High School Sangam.
My name is Jayalakshmi.
తిన పేరు హర్షిని, తిన పేరు మాధవి, యశ్వంత్, రామ్ సాయి. ఇవాళ
జాగ్రత్త కళ్ళలో పడితే